Good morning, all of you. The continuation of last class. See the multiplication of integers. The multiplication of, for example, see, therefore, 7 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 14. Therefore, minus 3 into minus 4, that is equal to minus into minus plus 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 4, 12, like this. Here, see, the multiplication of integers on number line. See, therefore 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, how many times? 5 times. With 2. This means the 5 times of 2. The 5 times of 2, like 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. The repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. At the same time, repeated subtraction is called division. Subtraction. Subtraction is called division. See here. See how many, see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, how many 2s? 5 2s. What is the number? 2. Therefore repeated addition, how many times repeated? 5 times. With 2. 5 are 5 2s are. Therefore that like 5 times of 2, 5 times of 2. Like see, this is the 10 is positive number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like here is, see, 5. See what is 5 times? 5 times. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times jump each? 5 times. 5 jumps. 5 jumps. How many each? Each 2. Each 2 steps. Each 2 steps. See 1, 2, 2, 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps. 5 jumps each 2 steps. Each 2 steps. What is the result? Is 10. The result is 10. Now here the result is 10. Like one more example. See, one positive number, one negative number. One positive number, one negative number. The multiplication of integer. Both are integer. One positive number, one negative number. See 4 times of minus 3. Minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 3. What is see? Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. See, there are minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 minus 12. Here this is positive number, plus 4 is positive number into minus 3, plus into minus, minus 4 into 3, 12. See, like it is 12 is negative number, like 0 towards left, 0 towards left, from 0 towards left, from 0 towards left. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, like this. See, minus 1, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 12. How many times? 4 times. 4 times 4 jumps, 4 jumps. jumps, 4 jumps each minus 3, each minus 3, minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3, how many times? 4 times, 4 times, like this. See, minus 3, next minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. This is the number. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 2 hours left, 2 hours from 0 2 hours left, from 0 2 hours left. At the same time, here is 2 hours right, from 0 2 hours right, from 0 2 hours right. Here is from 0 2 hours left, from 0 2 hours left. See, one more, 2 positive integers, 2 positive integers. Therefore 5 into 3, 5 times of 3, that is 50. That is like 50. See, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Series 5 gems, each 3, each 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, how many times? 5 times, 5 times. Here now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, 14 15. See, 5 gems, 5 means times, therefore 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 50. This is the final answer. 3 3 3 3 3. Like, see, this is 2 hours, from 0 to hours right side, from 0 to hours right side. See, go to the, do this, compute with the following, computing the following. Just computing following means what is the result? See, 2 6 are 12, 5 is plus, plus into minus, minus 5 into 4 20. At the same time, here is plus, plus into minus, minus 9 4s are 36. See, number line, go to the, for example, you take number line, show on the number line, like first one, draw a line. See, draw a line, this is the draw a line, like this is positive integer, under multiplication the result is positive integer. Like how many? 12. Therefore the number line 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Give the number. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. See, here is 2 is times, 2 is times, each 6, each 6, 2 gems each 6, 2 gems each 6, like this. See, six, next 6 plus 6 12. Here is 6. From 0 to our side, from 0 to our side, from 0 to our side, the result is 12, like this, right? Here you take one more example, like, see, 3 into 4, like 3 into 4. First of all, you draw the number line. This is positive integer, this is positive integer. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. See, divide with 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, like this. Give the numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. See, here is 3 is times, 3 means times, each jump, 5 3 gems, 3 gems, 3 jump, 3 gems, 3 gems each 4, 4 steps. Like 3 gems, 4, each is 4, like 4 steps. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Now the result is this, 4, 4, 4. How many? 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. This is like result. Is the show on the number line under multiplication. Show on the number line, multiplication of integers, show on the number line. Show on the number line. Like multiply one positive integer or negative integer, that means the result is negative. The result is negative. Here, for example, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 0, 0, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. Therefore, multiply division, multiplied by divide. Here 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 are minus 4, 4 4 of minus 2 is equal to minus 8, 4 of minus 3 is equal to minus 12. Here is multiplying decrease by 1, multiplying decrease. What is the meaning of decrease? See, 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. What is the order? This order is decrease. Multiply decrease by 1, multiply decrease by 1, product decrease by 3, product decrease by 3. Product decrease by 3, product decrease by 3. Yes or no? See, this is, here is 4 3s, 4 2s, 4 1s, 4 0, 4 of minus 1, 4 of minus 2, 4 of minus 3. This is like multiply the one negative integer, one positive integer. Like this is order. Has to go to multiplication of two negative integer. Multiplication of two negative integer. For example, see, therefore minus a into minus b. Minus a into minus b is minus into minus plus a into b, ab. For example, minus 2 into minus 7. Minus into minus plus 2 into 4, 14. It is four rules. Same signs under multiplication, the result is itself. Same sign. Under multiplication, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Under multiplication, quite opposite symbol. That is, therefore, minus into plus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So now see, the four operations is very important. See, like at the same time, see, multiplication of two integer, one more, therefore minus 7 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 7 4s are 28. At the same, minus 1 into minus 2, therefore minus into minus plus 1 into 2. See here, multiplication of only two integers, like minus b into minus d, plus minus into minus plus b into d means bd. That means bd. Like, see, minus 5 into minus 0. Here it is not possible, no minus. The in front of 0, no negative, no positive. The 0 means neither negative nor positive. Neither negative nor positive. 0 means neither negative nor positive. Is not. Therefore, anything like minus 4 plus minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20, that means 20. This is like multiplication of two integers. Multiplication of two integers. So for example, go to activity like this. See, this is What is under multiplication? Under multiplication. See, for example, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, here. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Minus 2 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 2 into 0. 0 under multiplication with 0. The result is always 0. Therefore, minus 2 into 1. See, minus 2 into 1 means minus 2. Here, 1 into minus 2. That is equal to, already before plus is there. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 2, 2. Same, minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into plus 2. Minus 2 into plus 2 means minus 4. Minus 4. Like minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. Like this. Minus 1 into minus 2 means 2. Minus 1 into minus 1. Plus 1. Minus 1 into 0. 0. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2. See. At the same time, with 0, all under multiplication with 0, the result is always 0. 1 into anything, 1 into under multiplication with 1, the result is itself. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Like 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into A, 1 into 100, 100. What is mean? Under multiplication with 1. Take the result is itself. The result is itself. At the same time, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Like this activity. Go to here. Multiplication of more than 2 negative integers. More than 2 negative integers. More than 2 negative integers. More than 2. More than 2 means 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Maybe. See, multiplication of more than 2. For example, see, minus A into minus B into minus C. Like this. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Here, how many minus is there? 3 minus. 3 means odd number. 3 means odd. Odd number of minus. Under multiplication, odd number of minus. The result is always minus. See here, for example, see, minus into minus is equal to how many numbers? So minus minus. How many? 2. 2 is even number. The result is positive. The result is positive. For example, minus into minus into minus. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 means odd number. Odd number of odd number of minus under multiplication means the result is minus. The result is minus. See, minus A into minus B into minus A, that is minus ABC. Minus ABC. Like, see, at the same time, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. Like, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. How many numbers? How many minus is there? 3 minus 3 is odd number. Under multiplication. Under multiplication. How many minus there? 3. 3 is odd number. The result is negative. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. For example, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Like this. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. Here. How many minus is there? 4 minus is there. 4 minus. What is meaning of 4? 4 is even number. 4 is even number of minus under multiplication. The result is positive. The result is positive. Therefore 1. That means 1. That is equal to 1. At the same time, minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 6. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is odd number. Odd number of minus under multiplication. The result is minus. See, minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. See, 5 2s are 10. 10 6s are 60. 64s 24. 24 3s 72. minus 7 20 7 20. This is like more than 2 negative numbers, more than 2 negative numbers. Okay, go to try these. See here the best example here, more than, therefore minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus, here is 2 negative numbers, 2 means even number, under multiplication 2 minus, under multiplication 2 minus is positive result, 1 into 1 1. Here 3, under multiplication 3 minus, 3 means odd number of minus, under multiplication the result is always minus, 1 into 1 into 1 1. Here both, see here is 4 means even number of minus, under multiplication the result is always positive. 1 2 3 4 5 under multiplication, 5 is odd number of minus, under multiplication the always minus. Okay, exercise 4 Roman 1, exercise 4 Roman 1, filling the blanks. See, this type of already well known to you, once repeat the other. Therefore, see 100 minus 100 into minus 6, minus 100 into minus 6. First of all, sign, you observe the sign. Therefore, minus into minus plus. Already we have discussed. Under multiplication 2 minus 2 is even number of minus, under multiplication the result is positive. Therefore, a minus into minus plus, 100 into 6 600. Next, see, minus 3 into dash is equal to 1, which here you take any number, the multiplication which number, under multiplication which number with which number under multiplication the itself 1, always 1, sorry minus 1. Why? Because here is minus 3 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 into 3 3. Next, same, compared to 1 3 is here plus 100 into minus 6, plus 100 into minus 6, plus 100 into minus 6, plus 100 into minus, plus 100 into minus. This is like plus into minus, here minus 100 into 6 600, 100 into 6 600. Here minus 20 into minus 10, minus 20 into minus 10, minus 20 into minus 10. See, minus under multiplication 2 minus, under multiplication 2 is even number of minus, under multiplication the result is positive. 20 into 10 means 200, 20 into 10 means 200. Go to like similarly 3 compared to 3, 4 is same. Therefore 15 into minus 3, 15 into minus, what is 15? Plus 15 into minus 3, same, plus into minus, 15 3s are 45, 15 3s are 45. See exercise 4 Roman 2, each of the following products already compared to Roman 1, similarly Roman 2, same process. See, this is homework for you. 3 into minus 1, I think you do. Therefore, minus 1 into now positive number, negative number into positive number, like this is also homework. Same, already minus 21 minus 30, multiplication of 2 negative integers, already we do. Here is Roman 1 fourth, like this is also homework for you. See, minus 316 into minus 1, minus 316 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 316 once 316. See here, now here, therefore minus 15 into 0 into minus 18, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18, under multiplication with 0 the total number goes to always 0. Yes, see how many numbers? See, therefore 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into up to so on into 0, the result is 0. You take any big number under multiplication with 0, the result goes to 0, See, this is 0. See here, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10, this is also homework for you. Same, 3 into minus 3, minus 6. Here 9 means plus 9. Plus 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. This is also homework for you. Also homework for you. Same, this is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into plus 4. I think you do. This is also homework for you. See, here is one. See, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. How many minus is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 is even number, under multiplication the result is positive. The result is positive. Therefore, 3 6 are 18, 18 2s are 36, 13 6 1 36. This is today. The remaining, the next we will discuss the next class.